World Nature Conservation Day, celebrated on July 28th every year. Nature is our best friend. It gives us many things like water, air, land, and sunlight. Cutting of trees must be stopped. We should plant more trees. Using of plastic must be stopped. Keeping our surroundings neat and clean. Recycle, reuse and restore to conserve the nature. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am going to speak a few words about World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28 July every year. Nature is our best friend and a gift for all. It provides us many essential things like air, land, water, sunlight and atmosphere for survival. This day increases awareness about conserving the nature. It is celebrated all over the world. Nature conservation means sensible use of resources. We should reduce unnecessary use of non-renewable resources. Cutting of tree must be stopped. We should plant more trees. Keeping our surroundings neat and clean is also important. We should stop using plastic. Recycle, reuse, restore to conserve nature. Safeguard for nature. Not for yourself but for everyone. Thank you.
Hi teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to tell a short speech about the World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28 July. It is celebrated internationally. It is celebrated to save our natural resources. We should conserve natural resources like water, soil, air, trees, etc. We should also conserve wildlife and plants. Natural resources should not be harmed and overused. We must think about future generations also. Natural resources make life worth living on earth. Thank you.
ഹായ് കൂട്ടുകാരെ, ഇന്ന് വേൾഡ് നേച്ചർ കൺസർവേഷൻ ഡേ ആണ്. ഇന്ന് ഞാനിവിടെ പറയാൻ പോകുന്നത് പ്രശസ്ത കവി അയ്യപ്പ പണിക്കരുടെ കാടവിടെ മക്കളെ എന്നുള്ള കവിതയാണ്. പ്രകൃതിയിൽ നാം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയ വിനാശങ്ങളെ കുറിച്ചാണ് ഈ കവിതയിൽ പറയുന്നത്. കാടിവിടെ മക്കളെ, മേടെവിടെ മക്കളെ, കാട്ടുപുൽത്തകിടിയുടെ വേരെവിടെ മക്കളെ, കാടെവിടെ മക്കളെ, മേടെവിടെ മക്കളെ, കാട്ടുപുൽത്തകിടിയുടെ വേരെവിടെ മക്കളെ, കാട്ടുപൂഞ്ചോലയുടെ കുളിരെവിടെ മക്കളെ, കാറ്റുകൾ പുലർന്ന പൂങ്കാവിവിടെ മക്കളെ, പച്ചപ്പനന്തത്ത പാടിക്കളിക്കുന്ന പ്ലാവുകൾ മാവുകളും എവിടെന്റെ മക്കളെ, കുട്ടിക്കരിങ്കുയിൽ കൂവിത്തിമർക്കുന്ന കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ച എവിടെന്റെ മക്കളെ, പായൽ ചുരുൾ ചുറ്റി ദാഹനീർ തേടാത്ത കായലും തോടുകളും എവിടെന്റെ കാട്ടുപുൽത്തകിടിയുടെ മക്കൾ. ഈ കവിതയിൽ നിന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്താ മനസ്സിലായത്? പ്രകൃതി നശിപ്പിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. താങ്ക് യു. Hi teacher and friends. Today I am going to speak about importance of World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28th July. It is celebrated to save our natural resources. We should conserve water, soil, trees, air, etc. We should also conserve wildlife and plants. Natural resources should not be harmed and overused. We must think about future generations also. Earth is the only planet where life exists. Natural resources make life worth living on Earth. Thank you. Good morning, Earth. Natural Conservation Day is celebrating every year on July 28th. We all are members of a family and live in one home under one roof, that is Earth. An environment, a healthy environment, support in growing and nurturing the living and non-living things on Earth. Saving environment is in our hand. Take care of our nature today by planting trees, saving trees, reducing plastic usage, saving our nature. Saving our natural resources will promise us a happier tomorrow. Happy World Nature Conservation Day. Save nature, save life. Thank you. I am Devandavi from Second B. World Conservation Day is celebrated on 28 July every year. Nature is our best friend and a gift for all. It provides us many essential things like air, water, sunlight, land, minerals, vegetation, animals, and their life. This day increases awareness about conserving the nature. Okay, thank you. I am studying Second B. I am telling about the World Natural Conservation Day. World Natural Conservation Day is celebrated July 28. Earth natural resources include air, minerals, plants, soil, and water. This day also ensure the safety of present and future generation. Hello friends, today I am talking about some short sentences on World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 20th July.
It is celebrated all over the world. It is celebrated to save our natural resources. Nature is our best friend and gift for all. We should reduce unnecessary use and cutting of trees must be stopped. Keeping our surrounding neat and clean is also important. We should stop using plastic. Thank you.
I am Abhijitam from second B. Save water, save trees, save nature, save petroleum, save wildlife, reduce, recycle, reuse, stop pollution. Our key vessel, it keeps us water, soil and all. People and animals share the land. We can save water and pan daily. Reduce, recycle, reuse and conserve nature. Thank you. My name is Sri Lakshmi VM, second standard B. Respected teachers and my dear friends, this time I have come with a new speech about World Conservation Day. World Conservation Day is celebrated on 28 July at every year. World Conservation Day is celebrated to increase the awareness about best practices to protect our natural resources. It helps in promoting biodiversity for a healthy and functional ecosystem. It recognizes that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and productive society and well-being of present and future generations. We can do so many things to protect our nature. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Cut down what you throw away. Conserve water. The less water you use. Shop wisely. Buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag. Plant a tree. It provides food and oxygen. Don't send chemicals into our waterways. So people should understand that any activity they do will affect the earth. Healthy environment is key to a healthy and sustainable society. So on this World Conservation Day, let us all take the pledge to protect our this beautiful environment. Thank you.